Hi everyone. Now we together with Georgi in perimeter road. Georgi will wait in the car. He don't want to go outside. Okay, Georgi, you security today in the car. I will go outside. Garfield's last stand. Last stand. It's perimeter road bar also. This is hi. Nifty Rio. Yeah. No, I just little bit walked the video. Nifty, with camera not allowed, I know. With camera not allowed. This is Rio, this is Nifty. Huh? It's not fun. Yeah. I just here. Many girls now. I said many girls inside or not? Many. I will show to my blog. Okay, thank you. Oh, nice car. 666. I don't know how many meters this car. People, girls already go outside from the bar. There's some garbage here. Georgi, take a look. Oh, garbage. Oh. I don't want. So big car, yes? It's long car. I don't know, 7 meters maybe. No, 6 meters maybe. Garfield restaurant. Garfield restaurant, girls hide. SNBC Resta Bar. And Grey Fox also. Grey Fox open. What is this? It's new bar. Video recorder inside. Okay, good. What name of bar? Showtime bar. Okay. New bar. Another it's Black Satin Bar and Resto. Another also new bar. Hello. Excuse me, this is new bar. New bar, it just opened.
Yeah.
Because I first time see.
New bar. Black Satin. The name of the bar is Black Satin.
It's okay video. You can say hi.
Hello.
I will give to you name card, my YouTube channel.
Welcome to my vlog.
Wait, I will. This is a YouTube channel.
Okay, thank you.
If you want blur your face, just message to me to email, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. It's good. Candy bar also. Main gate friendship. This is jeepney, 15 peso only. And you can go to main gate. Candy bar. Candy bar have also menu. Hi. This is menu. Fish.
What about the sexy girl?
Huh?
What about the
About sexy girls. No. But this is not restaurant. It's candy bar. Okay. Thunderbird. Thunderbird. Mushroom soup. Mushroom soup only 150 peso. Chicken parmigiana 299. Also, it's movies, okay. It's very close from Margarita Station. This is Margarita Station, it's new. This is Margarita Station and Grey Hotel.
Ano po?
Black Satin, it's good bar. Honey?
You're a vlogger, sir? You're
Yes,
vlogger?
yes, yes.
You vlog time, sir?
Ah, how much?
500, sir?
Ah, this is for 500.
500, sir. That's really honey, pure.
Ah, pure
Valera
honey.
Aurora. Vitamins.
I know. Ah, this one?
That's, sir, pure. That's really honey.
So in the Philippines, real honey is 500. It's how many milliliters?
350, sir?
Huh?
350.
350 milliliters. Okay. No, I just show to my subscribers because I already bought before.
Give me a one, sir.
Huh?
Give me a one. Give me a one.
But I already bought, thank you. Because I've been in Baguio and I bought the same.
Give me a one bottle, sir.
Next time, I know you go to Walker Street.
Last price 400.
Okay,
Give me
next
one.
time, but I not take cash. Sorry,
Give me a one, sir.
but I not take cash.
Really honey.
Okay.
Your vlog, sir. Your subscribe, sir.
Yeah, good. If 400 is good, yeah. Do you want real honey, Georgi? Real honey. Again. Guys, I bought the same bottle in Baguio for 150 peso. Maybe who watch my video from Baguio, the same 150 I already. That's why I not need to buy now. But he sell for me for 400 peso. But real price, guys, it's 150. That's why you already know.
He offered me 150. First time he asked 300.
Uh-huh.
Next time 200.
200.
Last time 150.
100. This real price, 150.
I say no.
Okay. Okay, we will go to Balibatu right now. Our girls sit in the bar. Georgi, this bar is Black Satin. This is a good girl. She know my channel already.
Mm-hmm.